OK, so in this case, we have DKLM as a rhombus. They're saying that DA is 4x and AL is 5x minus 3. So what we need to do in this case is, again, it's saying it's a rhombus. So we need to determine, all right, what are the characteristics of a rhombus? And remember, the characteristics of a rhombus are exactly the same as a parallelogram with a couple added characteristics. However, what is one characteristic, Elena, of a rhombus that we can use? Parallelogram or rhombus? What do we have? Anything. Anything. You don't remember? All right, so you got a lot of work, a lot of studying that we need to look through to make sure you know all these characteristics. And we're actually going to do more of that today, so you get some help. Yeah, David?
Diagonals bisect.
Yeah, the diagonals bisect each other, right? And that's going to be very helpful because now we don't have to go through all the rest of the characteristics, yeah?
Diagonals cut the angle in half.
The diagonals do cut the angle in half. The diagonals are angle bisectors, right? Now, so that would be really helpful if these two were actually angles, right? We could use that to do that. But again, we're going to go through all the characteristics after this problem. But for us to solve this problem, all we need to know is that these diagonals bisect each other, right? That is true for all parallelograms, Jared. You asked for a pen for a writing utensil, and you're still not using it. I know. That's exactly why I told you to take it out, so then you didn't have to do that. What? OK. So now, since we know they bisect each other, we know that both sides are going to be now set equal to each other, right? To bisect, that means cut in half. That means 1/2 is equal to the other half. Now, I can go ahead and solve. Isolate the variable. X equals 3. But are they asking what x is? No. So be very careful with this, guys, because a lot of you I saw made your mistake on your last homework quiz. It's going to come up again on your tests. Do not, just because, yes, we're so used to solving for x or solving for your variable. But remember, in geometry, a lot of times we're trying to find the measurements of angles or the lengths of sides. So to find DL, well, first of all, I need to figure out what is the length of DA and AL. Now remember, those lengths are the same, so all I need to do is find one, bless you. So if I know DA equals 4x, and I know x is now 3, I know DA is 12. But remember, if that's 12, then that has to be 12. Therefore, DL is equal to 24. Ta-da! Hey. Ooh, full contact?
Yes.